Namaste and welcome to VD Decode YouTube channel.
Walk into any Indian car showroom today and you'll see acronyms like AMT, CVT, DCT, TC, and EV hovering over identical-looking cars. While automatics now make up a quarter of mass-market sales, the word is a dangerous oversimplification. It masks 5 entirely different mechanical technologies. Picking the wrong acronym has real financial stakes. If the technology doesn't match your specific daily commute, you could face an unexpected 1.5 lakh rupee repair bill just a few years into ownership. To see why that happens, we have to look at the mechanical disconnect. On the left, an engine is like a runner who is only efficient at a very specific, steady pace. On the right, the wheels have to navigate everything from a dead stop in traffic to 80 kilometers per hour on the highway. The transmission acts as the essential bridge in this center void. It translates the engine's narrow, efficient pace into the dynamic speeds the wheels actually need to move the car. Understanding exactly how each acronym bridges this gap is the only way to spot the specific mechanical trade-offs before they lead to a major repair bill. We start with the baseline, the manual transmission. It offers peak fuel efficiency and the cheapest maintenance, but it carries a significant cost in Indian city traffic, the physical exhaustion of operating a clutch for 90 minutes a day. The automated manual transmission adds a robotic actuator arm to a standard manual gearbox. This keeps costs low, but since robots can't modulate clutches smoothly, torque delivery briefly disconnects during shifts. This creates the infamous head nod jerkiness every time it changes gears. To eliminate that jerkiness, engineers developed the continuously variable transmission, or CVT. It focuses on smoothness by removing fixed physical gears from the design. Instead of gears, the CVT uses cone-shaped pulleys connected by a steel belt. Constantly adjusting air diameters allows seamless acceleration, but this creates a rubber band effect, where engine revs climb instantly while vehicle speed catches up slowly. Neglect belt maintenance and the unit fails. Both the AMT and the CVT remove the fatigue of a clutch pedal, but they require the driver to accept either a jerky shift or a disconnected acceleration feel. The dual-clutch transmission is essentially 2 fused manual gearboxes, pre-selecting gears for lightning-fast shifts. However, constant crawling in heavy Indian traffic forces dry clutches to slip, generating extreme heat. This eventually fries the mechatronic control unit, a massive repair bill. For durability, many SUVs use the torque converter. It replaces the physical clutch with a fluid coupling, 2 impellers inside an oil-filled donut. Power moves from the engine to the wheels exclusively by pushing oil, with no physical metal-on-metal contact. This fluid connection makes the torque converter incredibly robust and smooth in heavy traffic. However, moving that fluid is heavy work, which typically results in the worst fuel efficiency of any transmission type. The electric vehicle changes this drivetrain design entirely. Because an electric motor provides its power differently, it doesn't need a complex multi-gear transmission or a clutch. It uses a single-speed reduction gear. We can see why in this comparison. A combustion engine needs multiple gear steps to stay in its power band. But an electric motor's torque is instantly available across a massive, flat range, meaning the car never needs to shift. Automotive engineering spent decades refining the mechanical density of combustion gearboxes, only for EVs to sidestep that complexity by stripping the drivetrain down from 2,000 moving parts to just 20. To get the best value, you have to map these specific technologies to your actual daily environment. The AMT is for the budget city commuter. It's the right choice if you want manual-like mileage and low repair costs, but need to save your left leg in moderate traffic. The CVT is built for the heavy traffic comfort seeker. If you face 90-minute crawls through a metro city every day, its lack of shift shock makes it the smoothest option available. We recommend the DCT for highway enthusiasts who want fast overtakes, and the torque converter for SUV owners who need heavy-duty reliability that can last 200,000 kilometers. For the tech-forward urbanite, the EV is the definitive choice. As this uninterrupted acceleration shows, it removes mechanical shifting entirely, lowering daily running costs. For every combustion automatic, preventative maintenance remains the most effective defense. An 8,000 rupee transmission fluid change can prevent a 2 lakh rupee rebuild. In 2026, there is no single best automatic car. There is only the best mechanical solution for your specific budget and your specific commute. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and share with your friends. More than 80% of viewers watch VD Decode regularly but haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe to VD Decode and press the bell icon to never miss videos on AI, finance, EVs, automotive technology, and green energy.